Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing the two slimes I'm giving away. So yeah, I'm going to be doing two slimes. So the first slime, so the first slime is this called lemon coconut meringue slime, or meringue pie. It has foam in it, it's yellow, and it smells like coconut a lot. But yeah, the names are gonna be on it. Then I have, oh yeah, no, it's this one. Then I have this slime. It's a flow slime. It's very good. Look at it sizzle. So yeah, there's that one. I'm gonna be doing two other slimes. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So here's the jumbo slime. One of the jumbo slimes. As you can see, it's a floam also. As you can see, I love floam so much. Kind of stiff, but oh well. Here's another slime I'm going to be giving away. And the slimes I'm giving away, it comes with free glue. Don't worry, this is just a test one. I like it when you put glue in slimes or something. Feels weird. But yeah. And be sure to stay tuned because me and my friend Rosalind are going to be doing a 3 a.m. challenge. Bloody Mary and Candyman. It's going to be crazy. There's Rosalind. Say hi.
Hi.
Rosalind. You can't really see her.
I can't even see myself.
There she is. You can see her in the video, but my phone is kind of dying.
My phone's already dead.
But
when we do the challenge, maybe one of us or both of us is gonna die. If Libby's gonna die, I think I'm gonna get accused and probably go to jail. Then I'll do a video.
She's just joking. Peace out, unicorns. Sorry, unicorns. Bye. Bye, unicorns.